What's going on, guys? This is your boy DC coming to you with another video live today. And first of all, I'd like to thank all my YouTube subscribers that's currently on my channel. We broke the 265 mark, and that is amazing. I'm glad that you guys find my information interesting and maybe helpful. But today is Sunday, and just kind of going through the van, seeing what all we had on here, seeing what all parts and stuff like that, getting familiar with what we got going on. And so with that being said, I'd like to talk with you a little bit about I got the GoPro, I got the head strap, and so we're fixing to actually be wearing that and going into customers' houses and kind of showing you guys what that's like. Because you gotta break that ice with yourself. You gotta be confident with yourself, and dealing with the public is, if you've never been out in the public, you don't know what lies ahead, and there's a lot of obstacles and different things that, well, as anybody that works in the public in general, no matter if you're a cashier, a service technician, or what, that the public sometimes can be pretty rough, but if you're confident in yourself, and your confidence in the work that you provide, and you're not just feeding people a bunch of bull crap, and exactly what you're talking about, you can establish that, and that'll better the business that you're going to get, because a lot of people they may not know how to work on appliances, and they, of course they don't, or they wouldn't be calling you. But if you can, be a little bit informative of what you got going on and what the problem is, that helps out a lot. But, you don't have to go into an extensive of what's really going on, because people have time, don't know what the crap, you're talking about. But it helps, that you can be informative, in what you're doing and the service that you're providing. So that helps out a lot. But, I'm going to be doing some videos like that. We're going to be doing repairs, lots of repairs on dishwashers, repairs on washers, dryers, stoves, refrigerators, hot installed dishwashers. We're going to have a lot of information that's going to come out. I just been preparing and trying to get ready to provide this information for you guys. So y'all just bear with me. We're going to have it going. Like I said, more extensive repairs, how to diagnose and different things like that. That's what I'm working on. But again, man, I appreciate you guys tagging along with me, right along with my channel, and we're gonna have a lot of great things coming soon. So hit that like button and subscribe. And hey, this is David with DC Appliance Repair, and y'all have a great day.